अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं यम वाजिद। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। रचाकोंडा सीपी ने आज शी फॉर हर प्रोग्राम में शिरकत करते हुए कहा है कि इलाके में इन दिनों ख़वातीन पर मज़ालिम का सिलसिला बतदरीज कम होता जा रहा है। इस मौके पर उन्होंने मज़ीद क्या कहा है, आइए देखते हैं।
For last 3 years, we have seen the kind of change that has brought in Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Rachakonda because of the C team's work. That is really amazing. The kind of confidence now that is built up amongst the mind of women, girls, college-going girls, or even those housewives also. They started directly approaching the police. For small issues also, they are approaching us, and sometimes they trust more than their family members. We have some messages with us where on the WhatsApp message mentioned by some college girl, "Don't tell to my father and mother." That shows the kind of faith that has been imposed now on our C teams. Whenever we are getting messages to our C team WhatsApp number 94906 17111 to go for a criminal case, then only we are getting registered FIR in the police station and taking the case to the logical conclusion. If the victim is not interested in lodging a complaint, but she wants that her problem should be solved, no problem. In that case, our team members, they book a case suo moto on their own under different section of summary trial, and they will bring that accused to book. By making a case against that accused person, he will be produced before the magistrate. There will be some fine imposed on that person, and after that there will be fortnightly, once in a 2 week, there will be a counseling, not only to the offender but his family members also, and that counseling is done by 2 lady members.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी न्यूज़ पसंद आ रही है तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।